Yeah, that's the only thing. I think it's just going too high. Okay, I understand. I understand now. I know what I have to, how I have to angle it. It's gonna be at like this angle. It's just hard to get that on. See, it's like I can't get the angle right. I don't know how they built it. The Tron bike is so simple, but so difficult to build for some reason because you have to get like the angle just right. Okay, I know flat surface. No. This poor Karok. He's fine. He's fine. It's just the angle that's weird. Yeah. See, it's just not perfect. You guys are really obsessed with the Joshua quest. Okay, so that's right. The front one just needs to be angled a little more. And that's all it is. And that should work. Ah! Or it's easier to build it upside down. Ah! Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? But then it's on its side, so on its side is actually fine. Thanks, chat. Good idea. Good idea. So maybe like that. It's just so, it's so scuffed. I'm trying to make the fans parallel, but it's just scuffed. But you can't build it upside down either. Unless I put it on something like this. Thank you, Serendipity, for gifting a sub to Best Me. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you. I can put it on this, kind of. Like a bench. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I'm trying to make them parallel. It's just like it's just hard, the angle. And then it's like... That's wrong. I will figure this out. I will figure it out. Once I get it, then it'll be fine. Once I get it, then it's okay, easy from now on. A few hours later. Wait, no. This way. What am I doing? So with a flat fan, manipulate the middle to get the angle you want. Okay. Yeah, I've been trying to manipulate the fans. The middle. Maybe that's... I'm going to do Josh's thing first, but I gotta get this Croc to their destination. Crocs come first, okay? Alright. Alright, so I think it's like that. Okay. Okay. Is that right? Okay. Alright. Wait. Oh my gosh. I think that's it. Why isn't it going in the middle? Is that... That's not right. Is that right? That's it? It looks really weird. Alright, Karak. Yeah, he's a little heavy, so he might be weighing it down a bit, but that's fine. Oh, okay, alright. And then I just need to put some flames on my bike. Oh no, 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 no. He's too heavy. He's too heavy! Don't move, don't move. Okay. Alright. Oh! Oh! Yes! Yay! Yes, this is it! This is it! This is the Tron bike! Oh my gosh. It worked! Throw him in the depths. It worked for like 5 seconds. And I'm out of battery. Oh, that was fun. That was fun for 5 seconds. Alright, one sec. Sorry, I'm a Tesla Uber, so it takes some time for the Tesla to charge. Just give me a second. Sorry. Oh no, we're in the wrong neighborhood. Oh god. The lightning sage should recharge insta? The lightning sage. Oh, and it's raining. Yikes. Whee! Wow, this Tron bike is everything I needed. It's a little bit... It's a little tilting, right? It's just because the Karak is a little heavy. Oh, okay. You made it! 5 stars. Alright, yeah, I blame the Karak for this. I did it. I got the bike. Yeah! No, please don't despawn my bike. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, Josh's quest. Oh! Ow. There we go. There we go. Yeah. See? Now I can turn it. I can angle it up and down. This is what we wanted. This is the Tron bike, except I have no batteries. This is a good bike. This is a really good bike. I just need battery. I gotta charge it. You're gonna want to take that thing with you into a chasm. Absolutely. And then I'm going to add a light to the front and a light to the back. And we're just gonna be... Yep. It'll be great. It'll be great. I don't have auto build. We're doing Josh's quest so we can get auto builds. Hey, hey. Whoa. God, the energy sucks so bad in this. I'm gonna have to do the Josh's quest so I can just get that forge and upgrade. Yeah, energy. Whee! God, this is such a good bike. Oh my god. I think this is the best invention that I found on Twitter. Yeah. If you can just get 10 energy wells, right? Or you can just glue some light bloom seeds. Well, you have a bunch of lights too you can add to your builds. Superior to the Green Goblin build. Oh, the Green Goblin build! I didn't even think of that. Actually, that's gonna be... It's gonna be kind of like the wing. And then it's gonna have some like fans underneath, right? I'm trying to picture it. I would love to see the Green Goblin builds. It's probably pretty easy, actually. Just some fans and like maybe the wing, yeah. The Green Goblin hover thing he has? I don't know what it's called. You all see it. You know what I'm saying. The hoverboard thing, yeah. Chat, does anyone know where Bubble Gem Guy is? Like, he was in Lookout Landing last time I saw him and now he's gone. I saw multiple streamers independently coming up with the idea for this bike. It's just a perfect vehicle. Really? I've seen it on Twitter. Maybe they did too and they stole the idea. Whoa, what the? Oh god, that's not right. Whoa. Whoa, what is happening? Okay. Follow the gaze of the statues. Okay, yeah, I know where that is. Goblin glider. It's down here. Do you have a horse stable in the northeast snow area? He's over there. Oh, so he's just going to different stables. Okay. You can make a floating wagon using the same idea with a Zonai cart, 2 fans on the sides. Use it all the time to fly Karoks. Yeah. I was doing it the hard way in the beginning, trying to fly them on a plane and... No, hover bike. Easy. So easy. I was using a hot air balloon in the depths too, and like, no, hover bike is the way. Already, I've been doing late streams this week. I saw people spend an hour trying to make the perfect hovercraft. Not reading online, this is what they came up with. All angles are perfect. It's light, few parts, turns well. Yeah, it really is. It really is. Thank you guys for hanging out. I hope you have a great rest of your night. More Zelda tomorrow. I'm not gonna get on Vampire Hours tomorrow. I'll be on by dinner time latest. I don't want to do Vampire Hours the rest of this week. So thank you, Mac, for the 100 biddies. Thank you guys. I'll see you tomorrow for more Zelda adventures and maybe some Diablo soon too. Bye guys.